For years, creating a functional app has always been synonymous with a lot of headaches. Complex code, different frameworks, back-end database, deployment, and so on. Either you spent months studying, or you needed to put together an entire team just to get an idea off the ground. But that reality is becoming a thing of the past. Today, you no longer need to think like a machine or write a single line of code to create a real app. You describe what you want, explain how the app should work, how it should behave, and then it does everything else. In today's video, I'm going to show you 5 real examples of complete apps with interface, logic, and database created only with natural language without typing any code. These are functional, persistent apps that look like finished products. If you've ever had an app idea and thought it would never get off the ground, this video might completely change your perspective. But first, subscribe to the channel, and to watch the videos without ads, just click the join button. Deal? Then let's get to the video. Well guys, today I want to share with you this new feature that was just added to Deep Agent by Abacus AI, which has been a long-time partner of the channel. What can you do now? A mobile app, in other words, a cell phone app from scratch without knowing how to program a single line of code. So today, I'm going to show you 5 apps that I was able to create just by saying what I wanted and letting artificial intelligence do all the work for me. These here are the 5 apps that I created. All of them started from just a single prompt. So let's go. Starting with this one, for tracking expenses. Create a mobile expense tracking app where I can record expenses with name, amount, category, and date. Show a list of all expenses, allow filtering by month, and display a summary of totals by category for each month. And that's my entire prompt. What does Deep Agent do? He asks me some specific questions, so he knows exactly how this app should be. I just need to answer these questions the way I did here. He creates the plan and in a few minutes delivers a fully functional app to me. Look how cool that is. So everything is working. I have my expenses here, categories, charts, settings. Everything here is perfect. All set so I can deploy and share it with whoever I want. So using natural language in Portuguese, without typing a single line of code, I was able to create this app here. Another detail. You can deploy this app so you can publish it without leaving Deep Agent. Everything is available within the same tool. To deploy, just click this button. If you already have a domain, you can use your own domain, or you can accept the one that the AI tab will provide for you, and then you just ask to deploy the backend. It will automatically perform this task, and then you can already share this app with whoever you want. I'll show you in a moment how it became much easier to do this. If you want to access the code to use it in another tool, that's no problem at all. Just click here on code, and then you already have access to all the code that was used to create your app. Everything is available here inside Deep Agent. Another option is to download this code directly to your computer. To do that, just click this button here. Next, select the folder to save it, and everything will be stored on your computer. So, you have complete freedom not only to copy the code, but also to download it and take it to another tool. Now take a look at this second example here. I asked for the following. Create a mobile exercise tracking app where I can log workouts with type, duration, and calories burned. Show daily statistics, a weekly summary, and the history of past workouts. And it gave me this fully functional app here. I have today's statistics. Here I can add my exercise. I also have the history here. And here is my exercise goal. So it created this app here starting from just that single prompt. Another amazing thing that the folks at Abacus AI implemented here is that now you can view the app on your phone. And it's very simple to do that. You're going to download this app here for your Android called Expo Go. Or if you're using an iPhone, it's also available here in the App Store. Then after you install the app on your phone, just point the camera at this QR code and you'll automatically be able to view the app you just created on your phone's screen. So you can do this before deploying it. If everything is working perfectly, then you can click here to deploy. You have a few options, right? You can enter your own domain here if you have one, or use the one that Abacus AI provides for free. So that right here inside DeepAgent, you'll be able to create your app and publish it directly to an app store. Look, it's here under coming soon, which means it's about to arrive, and you'll be able to automate this process of publishing apps to the App Store or Google Play. So this is really cool, because if you don't have much experience, everything will be available here automatically. Now, if you don't want to wait, it gives you a step-by-step guide here on how you should proceed to set this up locally. So you still can't publish directly to the App Store or Google Play, but you can already set up this app locally on your computer by following these steps it provides here. This other app that I managed to create here is amazing. Why? Because it's a little game. So when I click here on Start Game, look, I can already start playing here, everything working perfectly, made with natural language. I didn't ask it to run any extra commands, just with this prompt here, I created this little game so I can select the objects. Look how interesting. Once again, if you want, you can copy this URL and open it on your phone, or just scan the QR code and then you'll be able to see this app working on your smartphone screen. If everything is okay, just click on Deploy and it will automatically give you a domain. If not, just follow the steps I just mentioned to set it up locally. And remember that you'll be able to use DeepAgent to automatically deploy to the App Store or Google Play. In this other example here, I asked it to create a mobile app to track my New Year's resolutions. It brought up my health resolution here. I can add it simply by typing here, like this, high frequency, target, and so on, then I'll save it. It automatically creates the database here, and now I have work here and daily exercises here. I can check off today, look at that. Progress marked as okay. So the coolest thing about DeepAgent is that it handles these setups automatically. In other words, I have the app here where I can sign up using my email and my password, and also the database is fully integrated. So without leaving DeepAgent, I can create a fully functional app. And finally, I asked it to create a social network app for me. Listen to this. Create a simple mobile app in the style of a social network. Users should be able to create posts with text and an optional image URL. So, to sign up here, it's really simple. Just click on sign up. I'll enter all my information here, and then I just need to log into my social network. Then I can add a post here. What am I thinking? Then I'll publish it, and that's it. It already shows up here, busy day, and I logged in here as Gustavo. Look how cool that is. If I want, I can delete my post. Look how interesting. There are 3 dots here to log out of the social network. And here, once again, besides that, I can not only add text, but also the URL of an image, which is optional. So, once again, without knowing how to program anything at all, I created 5 apps here inside DeepAgent. But this is just an example. For those of you who know how to program, who can create cool prompts, you can pretty much create anything here inside DeepAgent. You just need to have an idea, use natural language, it can be in Portuguese, and it will give you an app at this level. By the way, now you can test it using your smartphone. As I said at the beginning, just download this app called Expo Go to your Android phone or your iPhone, and from there, you'll use your phone's camera, scan the QR code, and you'll be able to see the app on your smartphone screen. So guys, try it out and then come back here in the comments to tell me what you thought about being able to create apps this complex without typing a single line of code and have them work perfectly. And the coolest thing is that all 5 examples share the same flow. Writing a descriptive prompt explaining the vibe, the goals, and the most important data. Let DeepAgent define the screens, navigation, database, and logic. Get a functional app, persistent and with the look of a real product. Another thing, traditionally, this would require an entire team. Now, a single agent gets the job done. Is this full AGI? Not yet. But it's clearly AGI-like behavior in an extremely valuable domain. You describe what you want, and the system figures out on its own what to build and how to build it. Not just code snippets, but complete mobile experiences with UI, backend, and database. All of this is guided entirely by your words alone. So, do you think it's possible to make money developing apps without knowing how to code? Is it already possible to replace traditional programming with vibe coding? So, if you want to try Deep Agent, the link will be here in the description of this video and in the first pinned comment. Alright, see you next time. Bye bye.